You can walk through the grass. Look, let's go over there. See? See the squirrel. The squirrel over there run up to the tree over there. Do you see that? Over there. How much you go? Look, they have the squirrel over there. The squirrel come over eat pecan. You know that? That's a pecan tree. Anybody see that? Look, they go up there.
Where is it?
Where
is it?
See, they go up on the tree over there. Because when they saw us, they run. They hide it. See? Look, one over there. You see that? Look. The one over there. You see that? Look. See? They scare you. See that? Look, they're behind the tree over there. Up there. Look, they're up there. See? Carter มัน happy look. Carter he like it look. Only one cold not come over today. So he gonna poo on your face. See? Look. Huh? Who is? See he hiding you. Look, he go up over there. You go that way. You go that way. You go behind that tree, you gonna see them. He hiding go behind. Huh? Come over here, Carter. Look the waterfall. And grandpa cold. It's cold. Today is cold. Huh? Yeah, we got to go down. We go all the way to our house. You know that? We go all the way to our house. Grandpa get cold. See? Go in the front. Hurry. Walk. Yeah, I told you don't play with the stick. You're going to be there. Don't need to, don't throw the stick on the water, okay? They don't like it. Yeah, the water in here is clean. Be careful. You're going to fall in the water, Carter. Yeah. And you're...
Sticky.
Yeah, that's the sting, right? Yeah, don't go there. Because of water. Because it's dirty. We just walk. We want to see some. See? Yeah?มันดีใจบักอ้ายมันบักน้องมันบ่มาพามันมาแล่นดิน2มื้อได้นี่ลูกร้านนี่ก็ดีจักหน่อยแม่มันก็ย้ายออกนี้นะครับมาพกอยู่พักผ่อนอยู่เฮือนนำ 3-4 เดือนซับซ่าเฮือนพุ่นปุกแล้วครับอาทิตย์หน้ามันสุกร์วันเสาร์มันบ่บ่ดินโลก It's dirty เปื้อน dirty It's dirty อยู่น้องนี่บ่มีเตาเนาะ You don't have no turtle in here. Over there. Look. One turtle over there. You see that? Look. Huh? Look. In the front over there. Carter. You see the turtle over there? See the big one? Look. You see the big turtle over there? They're going to jump on the water. See that? Over there. In the front. Hey. It's straight over there. Look. Carter. Look. You go straight over there, you see that? Look. You see that? They play with the sun, look. Over there. Huh? Come. Look. I know that. That's it I say. That's a turtle over there. Look, they have look like a 2-3 turtle. The baby go down too. Look. คุณน่าไป say hi อีก say hi to turtle เหรอ Huh? You say hi to them? I know. Oh, they say have the duck. Look, they gonna jump. They gonna jump. Sit there, talk to them. Can you talk to them? See? Oh. Look at the duck.Look, the bird over there, look, Cody, look, two over. นกย่าง บ้านเฮาเอิ้นนกย่างบ่เบิ่งนกย่างพุ่นอยู่อเมริกาเขาบ่กินนกกินเป็ดเห็นบ่บ่อึดแต่เป็ดมันอยู่ในสวนผักเห็นบ่ดกมันบินไปแล้วนกเป็ดน่ะดุบ่กวนมันติลูกสิลูกหลานมันมีเห็นเป็ดมันแกงนั่นแกงนี่ใส่บ่เฮ็ดแนวนั้นแม่ดุ try to play with them then that they go you can play with them you can play with them seeเบิ่งนกเป็ดนกย่างเนี่ยบ้านเฮาก็เอิ้นนกย่างเลยเนาะมันพากินปลาขึ้นมาเต่าก็บ่อึดลูกบักเต่าบักได้หลายลูกthe turtle how about the turtle over there you see that look oh it's over there the turtle is over there on the concrete see turtle on the concrete thereบอกว่าเบิ่งจะเทอโรอยู่คอนกรีตเด้อบ่ฮู้ว่าเทอโรมันแท้สิหาเทอโรมันไตโรโทษคันอยู่เมืองลาวนี่เบิดเด้อเทอโรนี่เนาะเทอโรกับนกเป็ดอยู่แถวนี่แปลว่าเบิดอยู่เมืองลาวนี่ไปบ่ลูกเห็นบ่ล่ะเสียแต่เป็ดมันอยู่ฝุ่นบ่ต้องภาษาอังกฤษแล้วเว้าภาษาลาวนำแน่ให้ลูกให้หลานเข้าใจเพราะว่าแม่เขากับคนสอดเมกาพอลาวแต่แม่เป็นเมกาเนาะแต่ลูกหลาน 2-3 คนก็เอาแต่บักนี่มาเพราะว่าบักนั้นบ่อยากปานใดกับสัตว์สาวาสิ่งบ่มักลิ้นกับสัตว์บักนี้มันมักหมามักสัตว์จังว่าพาลูกพาเต่ามาดินยามวีคเอนด์ซื่อๆดอกมีโอกาสได้สวยโอกาสว่าพาเข้ามายางดอกดินผักเป็นเทือทบิดลูกบ่ต้องไปเด้อบ่น้ำ don't go too close to the water yeah that's water is dirty water you know what you see any fish มันบ่มีปลาดอกลูก oh there see the small fish over here look open the fish over here no don't go in see the fish over here look the small fish look like a bass you see that look like a bass in here มันหาล่าอยากดินอยากลงน้ำมันหาล่าอยากลงน้ำตัวนั้นนี่มันจังหาล่าอยากลงน้ำบ่จับน้ำเลย dirty water เด้อ don't touch the water because it's a dirty water the bird poo on the water there okay you ready to go home or what huh what how much we walk up here then okay พบกันใหม่เด้อพี่น้องเด้อเอาอยู่ดีมีแฮงมื้อมาคันมีโอกาสก็สิพาลูกพาหลานมาดินอีกโอเคเอาไปโอ้Hey, Carter, do you see that? They're going to walk back to you. Look. They're going to come over to the water. They're going to come to hunt the fish. Do you know that? Look, they're walking down. Yeah, they're going to hunt the fish. Look. Now they're going to go down in the water. What kind of bird is that? Huh? You? Man, it's so windy today. It's cold outside. Today it might be go down about 29 Celsius. Yeah. Look, they're going to go down in the water. Yeah. If they have the food, give to them, they're going to go. Then you know what? That bird, they eat fish. They got a small baby fish to eat. they see that they try to stand over there when they saw the fish they put them out chip in there they shoot in there on that fish look they stay over there you know that when they saw the fish they can reach they can reach the fish huh what you yelling for you call their name look over here call it นกน่ะตัวบักใหญ่ๆเพิ่นว่าโอ้เพิ่นแม่นมาน้องนี่เห็นบ่นกมันมาหากินปลาได้หั่นคาเด้อมายืนอยู่นี่คาเด้อเอา you stay here ยืนอยู่นี่ดอกมึงไม่หันน่ะเบิ่งด้วยเบิ่งพุ่นยืนอยู่พุ่นเข้าไปพูดจังได๋อยู่เพิ่นนะแล้วพุ่นประตูสิถ่ายรูปเอาพอประตูสิถ่ายรูปด้วยเทิร์นด้วยเฟซโอ้ยอยู่บ่แป๊กบ่แป๊กบ่ได้Look, turn your face over here. Color. นอนเป็ดลอยนกเป็ดเด้นี่บ่แม่นเป็ดเด้เห็นบ่นกเป็ดเห็นบ่มันบินให้ดอกไปกวนมันนะเห็นบ่เนี่ยนกเป็ดมันน้อยโอ้ลอยไว้เฉยๆสิน้องนี่มีนกเป็ดมีแต่นกเป็ดฮะสิช่วยมันออกไข่บ่ดอกดิเด้ซับเอ็กตัวนี้ตัวเทิกกับตัวแม่ตินี่ใหญ่ตุ้ยเดียวนั้นมันมากินปลาแถวนี้พุ่นน่ะเบิ่งมันไปพุ่นว่าลูกบ่ต้องไล่มันออกนี่น้องอยู่มอบาดลูกหลานมาอยู่นำมันบ่เคยมาดินน้องป่าเบิ่งเต่าแล้วพามันมาเบิ่งเต่าอย่างเงี้ยเฮาต่างถ่ายวิดีโอเลยสิออกจ้ะบ่ต้องถือไม้ติมันสิเข้ามาหาลูกน่ะลูกบ่ลูกบ่ต้องถือไม้ตัวมันสิย้านมันย้านลูกได้ถือไม้บ่ต้องแกล้งมันตัวไปไล่มันเฮ็ดหยังดอกก็ต้องดินน้ำมันตัวบ่ต้องไล่มัน You don't need to put a throw the log or drop the wood for that Then he come to you เป็ดไปลูกว่าขบอนย่างเมื่อหนาไปลูกขาเด้อขามอนyou go next see oh look at that ขาเด้อ see it's cold เฮ้ยเอาลูกเอาหลานเอาลูกมาย่างเนาะลูกของลูกสาวเนาะเอา grandkid ย่างดินกับ grandkid อยู่ในผักในเมืองเคียวเลอเขาเฮ็ดวันอีหยังเขาเธอวีเกนมื้อนี้มันเป็นวันอาทิตย์แล้วก็ว่าสิพา grandkid มาเบิ่งเทอโรสิมันคือวันเอกราชเขาวันที่ได้นึกไปเข้าไปทั้งพี่บ่ลูกฮะไปขัดทางเดี๋ยวมานี่วันนี้เขายูทำมาลูกทำมายังมาเบิ่งเขาได้คนเขาหลายอยู่ได้ด่ะเบิ่งมิตรทุ่งเขาทุ่งเห็นหักษามาลูกมาเบิ่งรถเขาโซ่รถพี่รับลูกคนก็มาเบิ่งหลายได้มื้อนี้มันมือพักได้มื้อนี้อากาศก็หนาวแน่เนาะนึงมื้อนี้ขามาดุเล่นมาเรียบโคข้าเด้อคนมาหลายเชยมื้อนี้What I do want you all to know is that you are part of a unique opportunity and a unique situation here. This is the probably the only car show where you're going to see that every volunteer is a family member, cousin, sister, brother-in-law, uncle, and This is 100% มื้อนี้พาลาพาลูกพาเต่าพา grandkid มาเบิ่งคาโซนี่โอ้เขาเลยย่างก่อนลูกGo in the front. Keep go. Yeah. We could see the turtle. Grandkid มาเบิ่งคาโซครับโอเคเห็นบ่รถมักบ่อยู่รถสิ Look, the new castle here, look. The old castle, look.
In doing so,
เห็นบ่
every conversation,
โอ้บึงทุ่งพุ่น
every donation matters.
เขาไปทุ่งแม่ทายฮูก
How big, no matter how small it may be.
You go in there, I take big picture for you.
Lion Air Force
See?
guy standing amongst some gangster Green
But-
Berets. I'll let you know.
โอ้คนหลายเนาะ
I decided to
Support.
enlist and join the Air Force
Well, then we'll kill it.
18 years ago. Well, 19 technically, because
Why,
Alex
you
was
do?
my cousin and my best friend. And when he talked about the passion of serving his country to a capacity that moved me, somebody who's a supervisor at Spencer Gift, today's Charlie is so thankful for that interaction because he shaped not only my life, but gave me a hope for
มีแต่รถดุนเก่า
how we need to be as humans.
ๆบางคนก็ยังบ่ทันเกิด
The best
Oop.
human on the face.
สิฟอนมาสแตง
Those who didn't have an opportunity to know
Wow.
like we all did. I'm sorry.
เบิ่งรถตัวนั้นนะเห็นบ่คาเด้อมักบ่รถเห็นบ่ดูสิเบิ่งไม่เห็นน่ะ
But what
It's
we're going
nice.
to do is we're going to honor that legacy, and we're going to support
Look.
these two fantastic organizations. The
Wow.
oppressed will libere means to free the oppressed. That is the motto of the Green Beret. These gentlemen behind
ท
me
หาร
do that sometimes when it comes to strategy and, if necessary, violence by action. These two organizations do that by making sure that they're freeing the oppressed of the families that have members of Green Berets or Special Operation Warrior Foundation families that need support and need
Look.
sustainment.
เข้าไปเบิ่งเตาไป
The
ดู
Green Beret Foundation, the staff are now by all of the
Bung
Memorial
Kau,
Park Show,
Bung Kau.
the Special Operation Warrior Foundation, in the past 10 years, has been collecting
Among the-
money to support
Go,
these families
Bung Thung
as
Kau.
our goal. And that's
ทุก
what
อ
we're
เมริกาตอนตักตายอยู่นี่เบิดวันที่เขาเฮ็ดคาโซแต่ว่าเขาทุกประตังไว้นี่ว่านี่เอายางลงไปนี่ลูกเฮ้ยให้กูดาวเฮีย The turtle in here some yeah โอ้พาลูกมายางนินภาคก็พอดีเห็นเขาเปิดคาโซแต่เพิ่นน่ะเปิดคาโซเนี่ยผมว่าพี่น้องไว้ว่าคาโซอาบิเกตเรามาประชุมกันอยู่เนี่ยบ่ได้เนี่ยมีใจมันคนเฒ่าๆว่าเนี่ยหนุ่มสาวคือบ่สู่เห็นสอดได้จะมีแต่รุ่นรถเก่ากับคนเฒ่าเนี่ยนิยมมักรุ่นเก่าหายังนำกินยำต้องไปน้องไปลูกป่านนี้ก็สิไปน้องบัดนี้พาลูกไปน้องพาไปถึงลูก Go this way มาพี่อันนี้บอนเด้ออยู่ทางคุมบ้านแล้วนั่นก็แวะพัดแม่ฮะ Yeah See they have the turtle in there มื้อนี้พาแกรนด์คิดมาฟีด turtle กับเป็ด Yeah Run in the front look Go here Go this way Yeah See มาพ่อนพาแกรนด์คิดมาพ่อนมาป่อนป่ากับป่อนเต่าหลายหนองนี่สีน้ำพุสิเห็นบ่เป็ดได้ลูก Look at the duck somewhere over there see no May see the water see poolอยู่พุ่นลูก Why See you could see the turtle No
I see a duck.
No, the dirt, but they have some turtle come over. Yeah. No, you go looking for. Huh? You go looking for, look, the turtle gonna come in. Maybe they hide the tree. They hide on the grass, the bush. Over there, look. Hey, see? Hey, you see that over there? Look. You see on the front over there? And two turtles over there. See that? They go down. Look. You see that, Carter? You see? Look in here. You see that? You walk over there, the one big one over there? See? You see that? You see the head on the water? Uh-huh. Now you see that when you throw the bread to them. Give them some food. You don't put a stick. Don't carry the stick in your hand. They scare you. See, look the turtle over there. Look, see his neck. Look, see his head. Look. Oh, the turtle died there, you see. ถ้าแกนคิดบดินเธอเลยที่เขาไปมอได้ลูกได้ใบอยู่ yeah they look at the sun see look I'm gonna give the food for them here hold on here you have to you peel out a small piece look grandpa take the picture on that okay see look the one they put on the water you see that on the water that's their head you see the water over there the one turtle over there they swim see they swim go in yeah then go close to them so I gotta look grandpa gonna give them the food okay da huh I know but it's not that give them the food huh? See throw on for them on that look see that throw over there look give them that don't go close to them they're gonna come over I think they sleep right see look oh they're gonna walk away hold on I'm gonna take a picture there oh they go they scare you see they go looking for the food look I'm gonna throw the food in the front of them see look so they're gonna come over eat the food see that see look what you think they're gonna eat that food look they're gonna eat that bread oh they don't go see that they're gonna eat that bread look they eat the bread oh see yeah look Cody see they have look how many they got I know yeah look at the big one let's feed that a bit huh see they eat the bread น้องนี่เธอโรคบอกได้หลายเลยนี่ see that's a big one though huh do you have somewhere else they're gonna have a lot over there when you walk over there you're gonna see the turtle you go first kid you go color you have to be careful you don't fall in the water don't you don't need to hold on the stick you're gonna be that you hold on the stick they're gonna scare that yeah usually they have their baby in there by too huh see oh they have the baby look the baby come with them look oh Carter see the baby come with them see they got baby come on there so they have the baby come over eat food see oh they have some baby there too see the baby come over eat the food look Carter look see the baby come to eat the bread look oh the baby come to eat the bread look the baby come to eat the bread look see Cole he not come he should see the turtle over here now where they go oh they only take that food oh they take the food back look they follow the food look yeah they follow the food back huh yeah let's go yeah see that they have two of those come now they're gonna come to us you see that look they have look grandpa gonna give them some more food see Huh? You have to right there. You have to throw in frame. They're going to come over. See, we feed them, they're going to come over. See, they're going to come over. Yeah? Yeah, they're going to come over. When they see their food eat, they're going to come. Their friend going to see that. No, don't put too much yet. We have to go somewhere else. You see, they have look like a 2-3 piece over there. See, the one over there. Now, see this guy? He take the food down. Look, the baby one. No, you don't throw the rock. You have to throw some kind. See, now they have 2 upload now. Come over here. See the baby one? The baby one come to take the food down. See that? Look, 2 baby. Look. See? Look, the 2 baby come over. See? See, you give them the food. They're looking for the food, right? See? Yeah, throw in them. Throw in them. You just throw straight. Be careful, you're going to fall in the water. Go up there. Yeah, see that? Good, perfect. See, they come too close. See? They come too close to you. Don't go down there. Don't go close to that. You stand up over here. You're going to fall in the water. They're going to come. Yeah, they're going to come to you. See, they eat the food first. See? Look, they swim. Look like a human being. Look, see that? Look, they come close to you. Look, oh. They want to play with you. Don't throw something bad to them. Look, yeah, going to be that. Just to give them, you know. Yeah, give them a little bit here. Give them a little bit closer. Go there. See? Yeah, they're going to come. Why? Who called me? Anti-pet.
I can't see it.
Hello?
Oh, it's coming.
เนี่ยประเภทยัง
It's running away.
เขาบ่ฮู้นำเด้อข่อยอันนี้ข่อยว่าสิเอามาปิ้งกินซื้อมาปิ้งกินได้ๆข่อยว่าสิปลาไว้จัก3ตัวอยู่พุ่นน่ะข่อยสิเอามาเฮือนปิ้งกินกับลูกข่อย2ตัวข่อยว่าข่อยสิไปลกซอยอยู่เอาไปให้พวกเจ้ากินจัก3ตัวข่อยเอา2ตัวเพราะว่าเมียข่อยไปการให้ไหนแล้วนี่พาเด็กน้อยมาเบิ่งเต่าจะซื้อมาก็ไล่ตัวเขาก็ไปเฮ็ดกินอยู่พุ่นติบ่ข่อยว่าจะเอาตัวนึงมาไปให้นะโคปิ้งกินจะ4ตัวปิ้งกินอยู่เคียวเลยบ่ได้เฮ็ดลาบเอามารถเท่าไหร่นี่ดาเพราะพาข่อยพาบักคาเด้อมาเบิ่งเต่ามาเบิ่งเต่าอยู่เคียวเลยดิเด้อยู่บนหนองเคียวเลยบนอดีเด้ซิตี้ฮอลดิเด้โอเคเอาไปเบิ่งไม่รู้เบิ่งเห็นไหนมันมา Look, they have a lot come over. See, they're going to come down over there. See that? Look. You don't need to go nowhere. See that? See? Look, don't need to go nowhere. They're going to come over eat. Look, they swim. They come down. See, they call their friend come over. See, yeah, they're going to come over. They're still swimming. See? Yeah, look, they come over there. Look, see that? Look, they go underneath of the. See that? Look, see that? Look like a 4-5 of the. See, they come over. Look, see that? Yeah, see? They come over there, see? Now they come a lot. So here. Look, they come a lot now. That's the way you have to get the food for them here. No, you get closer, you want to touch them. Don't. You know this kind of turtle, if they beat you, they never let you go.
Let's go there.
Huh? No, you can throw, you go, look, you can go. Bye, look, here. Go close to them, look, bye. Go up there. Yeah. Here. They're going to come over. They're going to come over, look. See? Right here, the food in here. You have to tear out a small piece, don't get the big piece, okay? Yeah, get the small thing. See, look, the big one, they already take it. Oh, wow. Why you get closer? They want to see them closer? Look, they're going to come over. Here. See? Here, look. There's no more. You tear out a small piece to them, don't get a whole bunch of it, then you don't have the food to eat. See, they still going to come down. You see that? Look, the one boy over there, they have the head over there. See, they're going to come over. See? Yeah. They're gonna come over, kid. Right here, look. They come close to you. See that? Now they go back. They go back again. I go buy turtle food next time. Yeah. Then we can come to feed them again. Look now, see that? They come over, look. You don't need to go somewhere else. They know the food come over, they come over. See that? Oh, now the turtle, they know their food at. They know their food at. Ooh, look at the turtle, see that? The baby come that too. See? There's a สวนผัก อยู่ Kyoto City Hall ไปไว้มาเบิ่งกันเขาโซ่รถก็เลยพาหลานมาเบิ่งเต่ามาเอาเขามาให้เต่ากินเด็กน้อยมันมักเต่าได้มั้ยนะเห็นบ่ลูกเบิ่งแม่มือไว้ลูก they feed scrap one food. Oh, they have the fish too. See underneath of the turtle. See the fish want the food too. You see that? They feed them food at all. See that? They eat some food. Cô trẻ nó mới đi cọc. Còn cái chưa có mua cho nên là tàu. อาหารหลายๆปอดมันก็มากินโอเคโอเคแล้วเด้เนาะกาย14-15 นาทีแล้วผมแม่ You see that the fish look the fish underneath of the turtle over here look see that the small fish no look whole bunch of fish underneath of that you see that yeah you see that look like a 4-5 fish over there see Oh, do you see that the big one come over here and eat your food? Yeah, look at that. Now they're going to become a lot. See that? See? You see the fish underneath of the too? Oh. Okay, be careful. No. I told you don't go close to the water. You could have fell on the water. You know that's deep. Yeah. It's not dirt in there. You have to stay far away from the hill.Yeah, look at that. Okay, you want to walk up there? Huh? You want to walk up there? And go. บักอ้ายมันบ่มาบ้านบ้านนี่พาบักอ้ายมันบักน้องมันย่างมันไห้มันคัดเลยน่ะมันว่ามันเมื่อยมันบ่อยากย่างนำมื้อนี้เอาแต่อ้ายมันมา มื้อนี้เอาแต่อ้ายมันมาย่าง โอเคเอาแล้วพวกนี้แล่นออกกำลังกายเอาก่อนจะแล้วพี่น้องลากันด้วยเฮ้ยเอาพบกันไหมสิท้ายออกให้เบิ่งกิจการแจกเอาเท่านี้แหละเอาพบกันใหม่เด้อเอาสบายดี